Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Anusahai and I do sewing, DIY fashion and lifestyle videos. Guys, you really do want to be subscribed to my YouTube channel because I need you all to support me. I've got great content I still want to push out to you guys, so I need that encouragement, I need that support. Please go hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'll be extremely grateful. So in this video I want to show you guys how to add an eye shield to your face mask. Now in my previous video I made a tutorial on how to make a face mask, and that is a face mask I'll be adding an eye shield to in this video. So if you haven't seen that video, please go watch that video because I've got a really great pattern that allows for easy breathing. So please watch that video and then come back here to watch this. That being said, if you're not looking into making a face mask from scratch and you just want to know how to add an eye shield to a face mask you already own, this tutorial is easy to follow. It is the same technique, so you'll be fine. And without further ado guys, let's get into today's tutorial. These are the materials we'll be needing for this tutorial: your already made face mask, a bias tape, an A4 paper which I went ahead to fold in half lengthwise, your pencil, your straight ruler, your curved ruler. Now the curved ruler is not necessary, you can always freehand it, and your scissors, and lastly you need some type of clear plastic. Here I'm using this transparent A4 binding cover or report cover. Now the first thing we want to do is to go ahead to place the folded edge of our face mask on the folded edge of our paper, and we want to make sure the face mask is straight at the edge of that paper, and then we go ahead to trace the top of our face mask. Now I just want to make the line thicker so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. Next step is to measure up from the folded edge of the paper 4 inches upwards. Now this measurement varies. You can go ahead to measure the top of your mask that sits on your nose to the point where you want your eye shield to stop, and then you place that measurement instead of that 4 inches, but I'm using 4 inches just for the sake of this tutorial. Now I'm just squaring out from the top of that 4 inches, making sure I have a straight line. And the next step is to connect the bottom line and the top line opposite the folded edge with a straight line. And finally, you want to make a curve at the top corners opposite the folded edge. Now you just want to cut out your pattern from paper and then cut out that pattern from your clear plastic. Let's put all of this together. The first step is to add your bias tape around the edges of your clear plastic. And I'm just going to take you guys to my sewing machine so you can see exactly how I do that. So you want to start at the straight side of your clear plastic. You can pick any side, just make sure your bias tape is starting from the very edge of that straight side. Mine didn't, but I rectified that in the end. Just make sure your bias tape is starting from the very edge of that straight side, and you want to go all around to the other straight side and stop at the end of that other straight side, and then cut off your bias. If you guys would like me to make a tutorial on how to make a continuous bias tape like the one you buy on a roll in a very short time without wasting your fabric, please leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know, and I'll surely do that video for you guys. I'll probably still do it anyways, but it's just nice to know what kind of videos you guys would like to see, so please comment down below and I'll surely get to it. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and proceed to share with your friends and families. Also hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And then you go to place the bias tape at the bottom and you go from one end to the other. Okay. So this is what you should have, and now you just want to add this to your face mask. So you take the top edge of your face mask and lay it flat. It helps to start sewing from the middle, so I'm just looking for the midpoint of the clear plastic and placing that on the center line of my face mask, and I'm starting to sew from the middle. Now I'm placing the bottom edge of the eye shield where I placed the bias tape right below the stitch line on the top edge of my face mask, and I'm doing that because I want this eye shield to sit right below where the nose wire was placed in the mask so that this mask can still be comfortable to wear. And then you want to start sewing from the center towards one side of the face mask and then turn it over and sew from the center to the other side. So guys, this is what your face mask with an eye shield should look like. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like this video. If you found it helpful, please share to friends and families, and please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss any new videos from me. And thank you so much for watching guys. Till I see you in my next. Bye guys.